As you saw, we took out all our trays to replant them in bigger trays so they can also get used to outside. So we can leave them today. We're probably going to be taking them in the night, but they can stay outside all day. So here we have the tomatoes. They're still super small, but we're gonna put them inside so we can actually put them like deeper in so the stick can get taller and stronger. Because you can see here it's like super thin. And our cucumbers, we're also gonna plant probably quite close to the big stick. So let's get to planting. Is this nice? Oh, now it's scary. Put your head under. How it sounds.
We need shower, we can hot water on this. This window has a bit of a funny thing. I thought that we got a bad deal by buying a scratched window because look at those scratches, they're pretty bad. So it was pretty sad. I only saw that when we were putting it in. So I was like disappointed that it didn't look better. And now, like a few days ago, I realized this window has a protective sticker on it.
That no one took off.
And no one realized that it has one. So let's see what's hiding underneath. There's gonna be a lot of glue left over though. This thing is supposed to be removed as soon as you buy it. That's a lot of glue. But that's a crystal clear window now. So someone was using this window, that's see-through. Instead of damn,
see-through.
That's see-through.
Damn, that is see-through.
So yeah, now you can have a...
No, don't put that anywhere. That stinks really a lot.
That glue was supposed to be in the trash long time ago. It's gonna be a bit hard to clean off the window now.
At least we have a nice window now.
Whoever was the previous owner was not.
Well, we're blaming ourselves as well because we had it 1 year nearly on.
Yeah.
Without noticing, so.
The plastic. That's a big sticker though.
Yes, because it's a protected one.
It's literally protected because it's not glass or anything. Like, not something you will see through very often because it's so foggy and blurry. And now it's so clear.
Nice.